Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we discussed word embeddings, their importance, and the different types of word embeddings. Today, we will dive into a specific word technique called TF-IDF, which stands for Term Frequency Inverse Document Frequency. So, before starting the topic, let me tell you the use cases of TF-IDF. So have you ever used a search engine optimization? And if you are a content writer, then you probably know that what is search engine optimization. So what search engine optimization do is it takes some keywords, and with these keywords it ranks our content. So suppose you are writing an article about on TF-IDF. So you are adding some tags. So with the help of these tags, your article is ranked in the Google search engine. So this is the application where TF-IDF is used, and another application is what information retrieval. So if you are given a document or an article, so that article and the information of that topic is retrieved with the help of TF-IDF. So let's get started. So so what is TF-IDF? So what is TF-IDF? So TF-IDF is a statistical method, and TF-IDF and commonly used in information retrieval. So this is a commonly used in information retrieval and NLP task. So natural language processing task. So important concepts in understanding how search engine analyze web content. So I have told you that the TF-IDF is important concept in understanding how search engine analyze web content. So here is the example we will see later. So first, let's discuss about what is term frequency. So we have TF-IDF, TF-IDF. So what is term frequency? So term frequency is what relative frequency of a term within a document. So relative frequency of a term within a document. Here is the example of TF term frequency, number of times the term appears in the document and the number of terms in the document. So what this tell is what this mean is term frequency. So this calculate the frequency this calculates the frequency of a term which is appear in a document. Consider you have a document. Let's suppose this is a cat. So we cat. So we have to to calculate the frequency of each term. So this appears one time, is appears one time, a appears one time, and cat appears one time. So this is the thing. So this is a document, and these are the terms which are appearing in the document. So this appears one time, is appear one time, a appear one time, and cat appear one time. So this is the relative frequency of term within a document. And how you calculate the relative frequency? The relative frequency is calculate number of times a term appear in the document. Number of times means, let's suppose, one. So if you calculate the relative frequency of this word this, so the relative frequency of this is 1 by total number of terms in the document, 1 2 3 4. So 1 by 4, 0.25. So this is the term frequency of this 0.25, 0.25. So it is a numerical statistics that reflect the importance of a word in a document relative to a collection of document. So this technique is widely used in information retrieval and text mining. So this term frequency is widely used in information retrieval and text mining. So this is what we have learned, term frequency. So next, so consider here is an example. Consider an example containing 10,000 terms. Let's suppose a document have 10,000 terms, and let's assume there a term car which is appears 25 times in a document. A car which is appeared 25 times in a document, then term frequency is 25 by 10,000, so 0.025. So this term frequency represents what? The term frequency represents the frequency of a term in a specific document. So this term frequency is representing a frequency of a term in a specific document. So this is our document which contains the 10,000 terms, and the term is car, which appears 25 times. So this is the frequency of a car which appears in a document. So 0.0025. The higher the value of TF, sorry, the higher the value of TF means if my TF value is high, then the term is more relevant to the document. The term is more relevant to the document, to the document. So this is the intuition behind TF, term frequency. So term frequency help in understanding the importance of a word. Means that word how much that word is important to our document, to our specific document, or to a document. So term frequency help in understanding the importance of a word within a specific document. So I hope this term frequency is clear to you. So let's jump to the next slide, which is inverse document frequency. Inverse document frequency. For before that, let's discuss our example. So in this example, you have seen some documents. Let's suppose document one. Let's say document one contains sends, and this is here my term is sent. Term is sent. Sent appears 3 times, and the document length is 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So let's suppose 14. So term frequency of sent is 3 by 14. So term frequency of sent is 3 by 14. So this term frequency of sent relevant how tell the how sent is relevant to the document. So I hope this is the term frequency is clear to you. So let's talk about IDF, inverse document frequency. So inverse document frequency measures the amount of information a term provides. Means this term frequency is calculating the relevancy of a term in a document, and IDF measures the amount of information a term provide. Means if we have a term, and what are the amount of information that term is providing us. So the formula of TF, term frequency, is log of number of documents in the corpus. Means we have many documents in the corpus. Let's suppose D1, D2, and D3 our documents in the corpus. Let's suppose D4, and number of documents in the corpus containing the term. So let's suppose I have a term T. So this is a corpus D. I have a term T, and this term T is appearing in these two documents. So this term T appearing these two documents, D1 and D2. So what TF IDF, sorry, IDF. So what IDF calculate? IDF. So IDF calculates the number of documents in the corpus. Number of documents in the corpus is 4, and the total number of log and the log and the number of documents in the corpus containing the term. So we have two documents, so 2. So IDF is equal to log 2. So whatever the value of log 2 gives the IDF value. So consider an example. So consider an example where a corpus contains 10,000 documents. In a corpus, we have a 10,000 documents, and a term appears in 500 of these documents. Means we have a term, and this term is appearing 500 of these documents. So IDF value is IDF value log 10,000 upon a 500, which is 1.30. So this is the value, and this IDF value helps in identifying terms that are common across documents. So this IDF value tells that the what are the that the identifying term, that the term which we are identifying are common across documents and those that are unique. So what are the documents that are rare in the document, and what are the terms that are common in the documents. So IDF represent the uniqueness of a term, means the how unique the term is across the entire document. So the higher the value of IDF, the term is rare, means if the if IDF value increases, then the word is rarer. The term is rare and possibly contain more information. Means this contain more information. So we have like in search engine optimization, we give some tags like NLP tag. So this tag matches with the with the other documents in the corpus and rank our page accordingly. So this is the intuition behind IDF. So and the last is combination of TF-IDF. So TF-IDF evaluates the importance of term within a document relative to the entire corpus. Means TF-IDF evaluates the importance of a term. Suppose we have a term NLP. So the TF-IDF evaluates the importance. So importance of this term within a document relative to the entire corpus. So this is the formula TF into IDF. So higher the TF-IDF value denotes higher relevance. Means if our TF-IDF value higher, then there is a higher relevancy of that term, and lower TF-IDF denotes lower relevancy. Lower relevance. And the aim of TF-IDF is to weight down the common term. Means let's suppose these are the common terms like the, is, and was. So these are the common terms that can be appeared in in any documents, and these are the common terms while emphasizing the rare ones. So this is the intuition behind TF-IDF. So I hope this is all clear to you. So what is TF and what is TF-IDF and what is IDF? So benefit of using TF-IDF is it is easy to calculate, identifies important terms, and differentiate between what are the common terms and rare terms. Like we have seen how these common terms and rare terms are calculated, and language and it is language independent. Disadvantage of TF-IDF is very rare terms can be problematic. So if our documents contain very rare terms, so it can be problematic. So no understanding of meaning or context. So there is no like we have also discussed in the previous video. So what is the meaning or context in a document? So let's suppose you are searching a query about changing about a documents which contains some context. So this like we have discussed an example in the previous video, like Apple is a company and apple is a fruit. So here both the terms are related to apple, but as first first documents talking about organization, some organization, and the second term talk about some fruit. So this is the context. So TF-IDF no is does not understand the meaning or context of a term and ignores the word order, difficulty in interpreting synonyms and similar words. So it is difficult to interpret synonym and similar words with the help of TF-IDF. So let's take another example of and on TF-IDF. And before taking the example, so these are so why we use TF-IDF. So TF-IDFs, I have told you, highlights important words. Like TF-IDF helps in highlighting the most important words in the document, reducing the impact of commonly used words. And the second point is improve search engine results. Like I have told you, it enhances search results by ranking documents based on the importance of query terms within those documents. And the last is efficient text mining. TF-IDF is widely used in text mining and important information retrieval tasks, helping in efficient text analysis. So let's take an example. Let's take an example. Let's suppose I have a document one, which is the cat sat on the mat, and the document two, the cat is on the mat, and the third document is document three. Cats are great pets. Cats are great, great pets. So let's calculate the term frequency for cat. Term frequency for cat. So here the cat appears 6 times. One, two. So no. So in the document one. So term frequency in document one, the cat sat on the mat. So number of terms one, two, three, four, five, six. So total number of documents we have six, and cat is appearing one time. So this is the term frequency of cats, and it means 0.167. And if we calculate uh, IDF value, so IDF value here, cat is appearing two times, cat, and the total number of documents three, and this cat term is appearing in two documents. So this is log 3 by 2, log 3 by 2. So log 3 by 2, the value is 0.176, 0.176, 0.176, and TF-IDF value is TF-IDF value. So TF-IDF value is 0.0029, 0.0029. This is the TF-IDF value. So, and that's how we calculate the TF-IDF value or TF or IDF value of a term in a document. So TF-IDF is a powerful technique for text analysis, highlighting the importance of a terms in a documents and to improve the information retrieval. So this is TF-IDF. So this is the whole explanation of TF-IDF. I hope it is all crystal clear to you. So thank you for watching. If you so that's all about this in this video. So thank you for watching. If you find the video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon, and also share it with your friends. So we will meet you in next video. So till then, keep learning and keep practicing. Bye bye.